Does the plastic on your vehicle look like this, but you want it to look like this? Or like this, but you want it to look like this? Let me show you how. Well, first of all, this is a 20-year-old Dodge truck. It is a 2000 truck. This is 2019. So this was built just a few months shy of 20 years ago. And as you can expect, the plastic and rubber on this truck has faded like this. This is after it's restored. So let me show you how to fix this up, make it look like brand new. So this is what I used. Car Guys Premium Plastic Restorer. Couldn't be easier to put on. Not a lot of elbow grease, not a lot of problems. And it does a marvelous, marvelous job. So let's do it. Let's put it on. So about all that comes with it is the bottle and an applicator. Keep the applicator dry, rub it on. The bottle says don't put it on very thick because you don't want to waste it. I didn't, and still got those results. Let me show you how we're going to put it on. So just add a little of Car Guys to the applicator, dry applicator. Start putting it on. I'm not rubbing hard, just trying to rub it in. Kind of hard to get in some of the grooves. It's got to be done. But it starts soaking it up a little bit, I guess you'd say. And you can see it kind of coming back here and here. So I just go back over it one more time. Now this is faded bad. Yours may not be quite this bad. Now once you've done that, it says wait about 10 or 15 minutes and go back over it, buffing it with a microfiber cloth. So it's been sitting 10 or 15 minutes. Come through with a microfiber cloth and just buff it. Really puts a shine on it. So that's the final result, and I'm tickled with it. Now, the longevity, how long will it last? Well, I can't tell you that. I will do an update in a month or two. But I will say that the reviews on Amazon said it would last for months and months. I think somebody said 6 months, somebody said a year. I don't know, but that looks dang good. Running boards look great. I did the door handles. They were gray. They look good. I did the trim down here. Now the harder the plastic, it didn't soak in as much and didn't, you didn't see as dramatic of a difference. But that right there, that looks good compared to what it looked like before. I did underneath, I did the gray part and also the black part underneath. Black part underneath didn't soak it up real well. The gray part didn't soak it up real well. But besides that, I just saved myself $30,000. I got a new truck. Looks really good. You ought to try it. Again, I saw it on Amazon. I went on YouTube, looked at some videos other people did, and said, well, it's worth a shot. So I like it. It did me a good job, and I'm just tickled to death. So there it is. I'm going to enjoy it for a long time. Maybe another 20 years. Your vehicle may not be 20 years old. You may not have the kind of discoloring and fading that I've had on this. So there's no telling what it would do for your truck or car. I like it. Get you some. I'll have a link below the video to that product on my Amazon store. And man, I like it. I didn't do the tires. I did the tires, sprayed the tires with just some tire black or something, but everything else was done by that. The mirrors look like I painted them black. I mean, they really look nice. They were starting to fade. The mirrors is a different kind of material, more of a porous material, and it kind of soaked it up, and then I didn't think it was gonna look good, but after I buffed it off, it looks pretty doggone good. Looks like I painted them. We got pollen everywhere. I just washed the truck yesterday. Got pollen all over it. But the black parts of it look pretty dang good. I like it. All right. Get you some. We're gone.